Hello friends, welcome to my channel, the Old Coin Library. Today's video we learn about the 1 cent coin of UAE. The 1959 United States 1 cent coin, commonly known as the Lincoln cent, has several notable details and features. Features the bust of President Abraham Lincoln. This design, created by Victor D. Brenner, was first introduced in 1909 to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. Introduced in 1959, it features the Lincoln Memorial, replacing the earlier wheat ears design. This reverse design was created by Frank Gasparro to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. 95% copper, 5% zinc and tin. Weight, 3.11 grams. Diameter, 19.05 millimeters. Thickness, 1.52 millimeters. Edge, plain, smooth. Produced at the Philadelphia Mint. Produced at the Denver Mint. The 1959 Lincoln cent is not particularly rare but is a significant coin for collectors due to the design change from the wheat ears to the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. Coins in higher grades, proof versions, and varieties like double dies or repunched mint marks can be quite valuable to collectors. The value of a 1959 Lincoln cent can vary significantly depending on its condition and mint mark. For circulated coins, the value is typically close to face value, 1 cent. However, uncirculated coins, or those in mint condition, can be worth more to collectors. Coins graded by a professional service can fetch higher prices, particularly if they are in pristine condition, typically worth 1 to 3 cents. Values can range from 10 cents to $5, depending on the coin's grade. Special collector versions with a mirror-like finish, which can be more valuable, typically ranging from $1 to $10 or more. The value of a 1959 Lincoln cent largely depends on its condition and mint mark. Here are some rough estimates. A 1959 Lincoln cent is typically worth its face value if it's circulated and in average condition. However, its value can increase based on its condition, mint mark, and any unique characteristics it might have. Here's a general breakdown. Circulated, average condition face value, 1 cent. Uncirculated, mint state, MS60 to MS65 around 10 cents to $2. Proof coins can be worth a bit more, typically around $1 to $5. These values can fluctuate based on the coin market and the specific coin's condition. If you have a particularly high-grade or unique coin, it might be worth getting it professionally appraised, worth about 2 to 5 cents. Uncirculated condition, typically worth 1 cent, but can be higher depending on the quality. 1959 marked the first year the reverse design featured the Lincoln Memorial, replacing the wheat ears design used from 1909 to 1958. The reverse was designed by Frank Gasparro. The reverse design was introduced in 1959, featuring the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C. It was created by Frank Gasparro. Above the memorial is the inscription United States of America, and below it is the denomination 1 cent. The phrase E pluribus unum is centered above the memorial. While common circulation coins from 1959 have minimal collector value, those in mint state condition, MS65 or higher, can be worth more. Proof coins and those with unique errors or varieties, e.g., double die, are also sought after by collectors and can command higher prices. As with any coin, there can be various errors and varieties. For the 1959 cent, errors might include double die obverse or reverses, off-center strikes, and other minting anomalies. However, these are relatively rare and can add significant value to the coin. Store coins in a cool, dry place, ideally in protective holders to prevent damage from handling or the environment. If you believe you have a rare or valuable error coin, it may be worth having it authenticated and graded by a professional coin grading service. Understanding the historical context of the coin, including its introduction as part of a new reverse design, can enhance its collectability and personal value. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the 1 cent coin. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this fascinating piece of UAE numismatic history and the stories it carries.